in terms of providing what's needed in a system, one of the things that I try to do is realize that, first of all, I had to prioritize the tasks that needed to be done. And so you've got to look at your systems as to, what are the things you have to do, and then what are the things you want to do. And everything from starting in the way that we present ourselves to customers, answering the phone. We have a process in place. Now, I don't do it because I don't have the best phone voice. I'm not the friendliest. That's why Kim answers the phones and everything. But the way that she answers the phone, the way that we take in client request, that all happens because of our systems. So having the proper system in terms of your CRM or your PSA, or even if it's Outlook, a way to categorize your clients, categorize the task, whether you're assigning an Outlook task or creating a ticket, have that flow so that it goes to the right person, the right team, having your documentation in place. These are all things that once you set them up properly, you don't waste time with the systems. Documentation is probably one of the places that is the most difficult for us as MSPs to keep up with. It's just constant. But setting up your documentation to where you can find the information you need, whether it's somebody's password or a configuration or a setup document, it takes time, but getting that set up, and we use IT Glue. And so literally every piece of information that we can put in for a client is in there. And that includes, checklists and documents, even if they're a third-party setup. If it's a PDF, we download it off the internet, make our tweets, upload it to IT Glue. So that way it's there. And if one of my subcontractors need it, if my future tech needs it, they can go to the same place for the client, find it, and make life easier. So those are probably the first things to start with in keeping the machine well oiled, as you say.